Before we begin, if you're an HR professional or business owner in the UAE, remember you can work with us directly through Evolved HR Consultancy for expert HR support, or you can upskill yourself through Evolved Humans Academy, where we offer practical UAE specific HR training and certifications. Check the description for more information. When I first landed my offer in Dubai, I celebrated by booking a brunch I couldn't afford. I'd fallen for the first and most expensive myth of the UAE job market. Six figures doesn't mean what you think it does here. And that's just myth one. Let's unpack the 10 beliefs that keep even savvy professionals from building real lasting success in the Emirates. While processing your visa, did your company demand for the Emirates ID fee or the medical fee? So here it goes. The myth number one: employees must pay for their own visa. Maybe you heard it in the interview, maybe it was in the offer letter. This is a lie. Do not pay any costs related to visa to your employer. The next myth is insurance should be paid by the employee. This myth hits you like a penalty the moment the first medical bill arrives. Across the UAE, health insurance is mandatory, and it's your employer's legal duty to provide you with a basic policy. Don't play Russian roulette with your health or your wallet. Myth 3: applying online is the best way to get hired. The reality in 2026, the apply and pray method is largely a dead end. Due to the massive volume of applications, the UAE population grew by nearly 2 million people in the last 5 years. Most companies rely on applicant tracking systems, ATS, and AI filtering. Estimates suggest that over 70% of CVs are screened out before a human ever sees them. Recruiters confirm that while online portals are the entry point, they are no longer the strategy. If your CV doesn't contain the exact keywords from the job description, the algorithm rejects it instantly. You lose before you enter the battlefield. Evolve Reader Insight: visibility is the new currency. A strong LinkedIn presence, direct engagement with recruiters, and tailored CVs matter more than generic applications. Myth number 4: salary can be paid in cash if we both agree. It's simpler. This gentleman's agreement can cost you everything you worked for: your proof of income, your loan eligibility, your leverage if things go wrong. The law requires salaries be paid through the WPS. It's not bureaucracy, it's your shield. It guarantees transparency and timely payment. Your salary is not a shadow transaction, it's a documented right. The myth number 5 is annual leave. It depends on the company's mood. It's a favor, not a given. You are legally entitled to paid annual leave, public holidays, and other statutory leaves. Plan that trip. Be with your family. Recharge. You've earned it in black and white. The final costly myth: end of service gratuity is a bonus. It's optional. Believing this is like completing a marathon and then just walking away from the finish line tape. That money isn't a gift, it's a calculated reward for your service. Subject to specific calculations, it is a fundamental part of your compensation. Don't leave what you've earned on the table. You can check our playlist UAE labor laws and keep yourself informed. Knowledge here isn't just power, it's your personal insurance policy. These aren't loopholes or hacks, they are the foundations of your professional life in the UAE. Arm yourself with the facts, check the official government portals, know your rights, because the only penalty you should ever face is for parking wrong.